Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your editorial workflow using Trello and SEO checklists, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Trello account if you don't have one already. Log into Trello and create a new board for your editorial workflow. Name your board something descriptive, such as editorial workflow. Next, create lists to represent different stages of your workflow. Common lists include ideas, in progress, editing, and published. This will help you visualize where each piece of content stands and add cards for each piece of content you plan to create. In each card, include key information such as the title, author, and due date. Now, let's incorporate SEO checklists into your workflow. Create a checklist template for SEO best practices within Trello. This checklist might include items like keyword research, meta descriptions, and alt tags. Attach this checklist to every card in your workflow. As you create content, check off each item to ensure you're following SEO guidelines. Now that you have your cards and checklists, assign team members to specific cards. In each card, assign the person responsible for that piece of content. Set due dates to keep everyone accountable and on schedule. Utilize Trello's labels feature to categorize your content further. For example, use labels for content types like blog posts, videos, or infographics. This helps in filtering and managing your tasks effectively. Regularly review your board to assess the status of ongoing projects. Conduct weekly meetings with your team to discuss progress and challenges. Consider adding a comments section on each card for collaborative feedback. Encourage team members to use this section for questions or suggestions. As content is completed, move the cards to the published list. This keeps a clear record of what has been finished and what is still in progress. Finally, evaluate your editorial workflow periodically. Identify any bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Adjust your workflow and checklists based on the feedback collected. With these steps, you'll maintain an efficient editorial process using Trello and SEO checklists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.